Today, we'll create a beautiful small pine bonsai step by step. We begin with pruning and cleaning. First, remove weak, fuzzy, and unnecessary branches to clarify the structure. Then, carefully clean old needles from last year. If pulling feels difficult, trim them gently with scissors to avoid damaging the bark and causing resin loss. Next, clean and expose the root base so the nebri becomes visible. Finally, slightly trim the plastic pot to make the next steps easier. This completes the first step. Now we move on to wiring and shaping using aluminum wire. The wire thickness depends on the branch thickness and stiffness. Thicker branches require thicker or multiple wires to prevent springback, while thinner branches need lighter wire. We start wiring the trunk, anchoring the wire into the soil and wrapping evenly upward. Make sure the wire angle stays close to parallel with the branch, not vertical. This gives better control and reduces the risk of breaking. Wrap patiently and evenly so pressure is distributed properly. After reaching the top, secure the wire and test the bend. If the branch still rebounds, add another wire parallel to the first. Multiple parallel wires increase strength and protect the bark. Continue wiring the main side branches, extending extra wire onto neighboring branches when possible. This saves material and improves stability. For smaller branches, switch to thinner wire. At this stage, wire as many branches as possible, even if some won't be used later. Keeping more branches now helps build a full and compact canopy. This process takes time and patience, but every small branch is an important part of the final design. Once wiring is complete, we begin bending and styling. Choose the front based on the most attractive root base and trunk movement. Bend the trunk slowly and evenly, creating natural flow. 5-needle pine branches may look stiff, but they are actually very flexible. However, bending must be done gently. Sudden force can cause cracks, bark tearing, and resin leakage, which weakens the tree. Gradually increase the bends, especially on the trunk, to keep the tree compact and powerful. More movement in the trunk helps achieve a shorter, stronger appearance. Now, the basic form of the bonsai is complete. To maximize its beauty, we repot the tree into a carefully chosen display pot. A beautiful pot enhances the overall artistic value of the bonsai. We reuse clean, well-draining original soil and natural moss from the previous pot. This season is ideal for repotting, as the pine is about to enter its budding stage. Now, the small pine bonsai is ready to grow healthy and strong.